guys, here we go. Optic 108. Fresh case. Fresh case for our 3-box. Where's our pen? All right, let's take our guess. Let's go. For $30 in free group rate credit, we have over 60 people watching live right now. For $30 in free group rate credit, one guess and one guess only. Everybody in the chat can guess. You're guessing the short print. The short print is either the Blazer, Mythical, or Downtown. Get your guesses in. Okay, start in 1 second. I just want to tell Derek about Okay. Guys, I just talked to Backer. He will be adjusting. Listen to me. This is important, guys. I just talked to Backer. He will be adjusting the 6-box and full case select to reflect the XRC mysteries. Okay? I have adjusted all. This is important. Listen. This is a big message. All select NFL hobby. Guys, nothing has been touched in FOTL for select. But in select NFL hobby, all 2 boxers have been adjusted, okay, to reflect the XRC mystery auto checklist. The 6-box and the full case selects have not been adjusted yet. Backer will be adjusting soon. Can I throw a little hint your way? That means go attack, I would say, the Lions, Falcons, and Colts, because they're going up. And the Panthers and the Texans are coming down. Okay? That's pretty important. Here we go. Optic time. Algier, $2.99. Purple. Brian Cook to 50 for the Chiefs for Phillip. Nice hit, Phil. Guys, is everybody listening? Did everybody just get that message? It's pretty damn important if you're buying select, which most people are. And it's funny because I came down more than maybe necessary on the Panthers and Texans because they still have XRCs, just not the autos. But you still get XRCs for Stroud and Young. Daxton Hill. Another purple. It's a purple break. Roquan to 50. Ritter. Red of Jordan Davis for your reigning defending. Rocket Man coming up. Ritter. Skittles and Gittles to 79. Velocity. I think that is a little weird. Yeah. Yeah, Cap. Definitely do. Brees. Rookie Rocket Man. And it could be Olave. Rookie Rocket Man and it could be Olave. Blue of Danny Gray, 179. My House, A. Donald. Javante. Sky. Elam, 199. Ooh, redemption. Saucy. All right, let's see the Rocket Man. No, it's Alante Taylor. It was a Saint. Wrong Saint. Rocket Man rookie for Kent, but it's not the right rookie. Auto. RPS red of Garrett. Arky! Hi, Yannick. Arkstorm, Rohab. Oroyjets. Jets, Jets, Jets. Sweet hit. Nice hit, brother. That is a good one. Spinning circles. Brock. My House of A-Rod. Carl Laftis, $2.99. Patty Queen Electricity. Juju. Lime coming. Lime. Mikey Pittman Jr., 35. Another USC kid. Him and Drake London, USC kids. Jazz. Notre Dame tight end for the Bears from 2020. Cole Kmet. Malik. Say Malik. I have some news for you, by the way. Nah, Yannick, I don't have a football team. I have some news for you, by the way. I don't know if you're looking at the depth charts on ESPN. Malik Willis is still the number 2. Will Levis is listed as the number 3 quarterback. So I don't know what that means. I mean, they're saying Malik is taking strides. Thielen. We have cracked ice coming. And it is the best linebacker in football other than Fred Warner, I think. Shaq Leonard. Darius Shaq Leonard to 15 for the Colts. A nice card. No, I mean, Tannehill's going to start, Zach. Tannehill's starting no matter what, unless he gets hurt. Look at all the color that's coming out here. Ben. Wait, we have cracked ice. And it's a red-hot rookie. It's a rookie! This is getting exciting. It's Optic. It's always exciting. I don't know what I'm talking about. Optic's always exciting. Optic is always hot. I mean, look. They're really, like, there's that article in ESPN saying that Malik is taking strides. I look and I see he's he's second on the depth chart ahead of Will. I mean, seriously. Yannick, I don't care about teams. I don't. I'm not a fan of teams in any sport. I'm a fan of players. I root for your rookies. That's who that's who I'm a fan of. Your rookies. The elites. I don't care if they're on the Jets, Giants, Patriots, Dolphins. Don't care. Pittsburgh. I don't give a crap. All I care about is what's best for your guys' investment. That's it. That's it. I've been like that ever since I started breaking on this channel. If I am a fan of any team, it's not really a team. It's just the Chiefs because I've been on Patty's bandwagon since he first got in the league. So, and I just love watching Patrick Mahomes play football. So if I root for any team, I guess it's the Chiefs just because of Patty. But I don't really root for the Chiefs. I don't care. I care about the rookies. Let me tell you something. In the NFC Championship, I was rooting for the Niners. Hard, because I was rooting for Brock. I wanted his cards to skyrocket. All right. Cracked ice under the patty. Hi, LJ. Oh, God, it's a quarterback. It's Pickett! Nas! Yes! Let's go! Yes! White hot rookie to 15. Come on, B8. B8 of 15. That was Yannick when I was a little boy. The Niners were my team. Because I was a Joe Montana, Jerry Rice, Roger Craig, Dwight Clark, Ronnie Lott. I was a fan of all of them. So I've been a Niner. I was a Niners fan when I was a kid. B8. It's 2. Great hit. Great hit. That will beat the sort. That'll beat the sort right there. Really nice. Tyquan Thornton, 179. Pickens. Gridiron of Brock. Mythical. Mythical. Your guess is live. No guesses now. Dolchich, 79. Amir White. Tyquan Thornton. JJ, best in the world, 299. Humphrey, 199. More Pickett. Marcus. Bonito. It's pretty sick break. Hold on, let me case up. All right. Last auto. Yes, the downtown is live. Stud D back for Troy. Pandora auto of Tariq Woolen. Nice hit. Nice hit. He's good. What up, Hawaii? All right, Mythical. This is your guess for 30. Olave. Who said Olave? Who said Olave? Who gets 30? Kent with the short print. Really good break. Really good break. Recap. No Olave, guess. Look at all this good color. 15 Shaq Leonard, 50 Brian Cook, Malik Hollow Auto, Mythical of Olave, Tariq Woolen Pandora Auto, Garrett Wilson Red Auto RPS, Kenny Pickett to 15. There we go. Filthy. All right, we're going to run that back, obviously. That was amazing. No downtown.